forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button so you will notify for my next video upload. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And let's intro! Welcome back. So we are here now inside the Bastrop State Park. So yes, that's my background just for now. This place is really huge. There's a lot of pine trees here, so I want to show you every spots right here. So see you guys later. we're just finished walking around, exploring the park, and as you can see, we're still here, and we're just finished eating our late lunch, and that was really good. This makes my belly wet. I hope you guys exploring here in the park with us, and thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope that don't forget subscribe my channels and click the bell button for my next video upload. So I hope you enjoying our video today. Until next time, have a nice day. See you. Bye.